Thank you, Honourable Speaker, sir, and I thank the Honourable Member for the question. Honourable Speaker, the Ministry of Fisheries has standard plans to address the uncertainties brought about by adverse weather conditions. Ministry of Fisheries' response to adverse weather conditions and associated cyclone is undertaken through our regional offices. Within these offices, our official conducts initial damage assessment for farms and farmers within affected areas. Honourable Speaker, sir, divisional officers of the Ministry would mobilize within 24 hours to affected communities in which initial assessment are conducted and documented. Additionally, Honourable Speaker, sir, through the Divisional Emergency Operations Centres across Fiji, the Ministry of Fisheries also renders support to the Divisional Commissioners through logistic and manning during initial damage assessment. Honourable Speaker, the quantification figures identified through the initial damage assessment is important because it helps us identify key areas of assistance to communities and helps in the speedy rebuilding process. I thank you, Honourable Speaker, sir.